We continue Soft Control TP Secure technical presentation. Our agenda is on the screen. SafenSoft protects against targeted attacks and any type of threats. Information system consists of information in files and applications to compute the data from the files. To ensure the integrity and workability of the system, each of the components must be protected. SafenSoft solutions are based on proactive protection technology. It controls the resources of operation system and all applications that have access to the operation system. Thus, the integrity and workability of the operation system is guaranteed. To meet that challenge, we developed SafenSoft proactive protection technologies. Dynamical resource control. Dynamical integrity control. SafenSoft client module consists of driver to protect operation system on the stage operation system start. Services to maintain settings of policies control as well as interaction with the SafenSoft management server, client module interface and event log. Let's start our acquaintance with dynamic integrity control. After installation of the client module, SafenSoft driver scans the system to find all portable executable files, PE files and files with code that can start system process. Each of executable files is scanned by internal SafenSoft AV scanner. This allows us to meet regulatory requirements. For each executable file, SafenSoft calculates a control sum and creates system profile, a compact database containing checksums of all PE files, on the hard disk. After SafenSoft client module installation, you can control activities of all processes in the system. You can block the start of some process and create your own blacklist, restrict or ban some processes to read, change and delete files and folders, OS registry keys, establish the network connections. After the profile is created, protection mode is completed. It keeps the system integrity, protecting from possible malware and insider interaction. Let's compare the approaches of AV companies, which use blacklist technology, on the left, and SafenSoft integrity control protection, on the right. Consider, the good process is starting, not a virus. A notepad, for example. In case of blacklisting AV technology, the AV driver intercepts such a request, pauses the start of the process, scans the PE files according to antivirus database. Everything is okay and the AV lets the process to start. How SafenSoft works in this situation. When the process is starting, it checks the control sum from the profile, and if it matches, it also lets the process to start. The result is the same, but efforts are different. The problem is that scanning and checking takes time and computing resources. The operation system and applications are working slowly. We know that in many blacklisting information security products, AV scanners are supported with behavior analysis modules. SafenSoft verifies process quickly with less resources. Consider the malware is starting to execute and its program code is included into the blacklist of AV. In this case, the AV driver delays the start of that process and addresses the request to the service to check the PE file code. Compare that PE file code with the blacklist code examples. After malware confirmation, it blocks that process. SafenSoft driver intercepts the process, checks the control sum of the PE file and blocks the process as there is no such a sum in the profile. Result again is the same with different resource cost. Let's see how it works in case of zero-day threat when the malware process starts and it is not included into AV databases. The malware process starts, AV protection solution does not find the malware code in the databases and computer is infected. While SafenSoft defines the absence of the malware control sum in the profile and blocks the process. Thus SafenSoft realizes DOM protection. It allows to start the process whose control sum is included into the profile and does not allow to start the process whose control sum does not included into the profile. This technology is called whitelisting. What should we do with the new software applications and updates? SafenSoft has a handler that can differentiate if the process is known or unknown, if it is installer or not installer. Consider an installer is launching and it has a trusted digital signature. Any new software installation and updating is a new PE file record in the operation system. In case it has OS digital signature, SafenSoft will include the new control sum into the system profile automatically. There is no need to recreate system profile for that. Consider we have an installer with the unknown digital signature. In this case, SafenSoft uses its own whitelist of the installer certificates. After the digital signature is included into whitelist, this installer can include new PE files into the system. The control sums of the PE files will be automatically included into the profile. You do not need to recreate the system profile. In the future, the processes from the new PE files will start as trusted. In case you have unknown or vulnerable process, you can block it or use the SafenSoft Dynamic Sandbox. At the start stage, this unknown or vulnerable process cannot change the system in any way, cannot violate the application work, cannot establish the network connection or increase the privileges. In addition to that, you can see what particular that unknown or vulnerable process is trying to do at SafenSoft Management Console. The review of Dynamic Integrity Control coming to the end. In the next video, we will talk about Dynamic Resources Control.